Hello friends, welcome back to my channel FinStop. Friends, are you looking for a mutual fund which invests both in equity market and debt instruments? Then this video is for you. In this video, I am going to give you top 5 hybrid mutual funds for 2021. These hybrid mutual funds will invest some part of money in debt instruments and some part of the money in equity market. Before going further, I would suggest you to watch my videos on mutual funds. I am giving the link in the description box and also in the I-bar section. If you haven't watched them, please go and watch them. Let's get into the topic. The top 5 hybrid mutual funds for 2021 are Mirra Asset Hybrid Equity Fund, Canara Robeco Equity Hybrid Fund, SBI Equity Hybrid Fund, HDFC Balanced Advantage Fund, Edelweiss Balanced Advantage Fund. Friends, now I am going to compare these top 5 hybrid mutual funds with my selection criteria and I am going to give them ranks along with the points. In the end, I am going to show you the best hybrid mutual fund to invest in 2021. Before going further, I would request you to please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's see the first selection criteria. Selection based on CAGR 1 year. Friends, CAGR means compound annual growth rate. The more the growth rate, the best the mutual fund company is. Here I have given CAGR for all these 5 mutual funds. Here you can see the rank 1 goes to HDFC Balanced Advantage Fund with 65.46%. So I have given rank 1 as 10 points and rank 2 goes to Mirra Asset Hybrid Equity Fund with 54.77%. Then rank 2 I have given 9 points and rank 3 goes to SBI Equity Hybrid Fund with 49.47%. For rank 3 I have given 8 points and rank 4 goes to Canara Robeco Equity Hybrid Fund with 48.28%. And for rank 4 I have given 7 points and rank 5 goes to Edelweiss Balanced Advantage Fund with 44.05%. For rank 5 I have given 6 points. Friends, similarly I have given all the points to the ranks in the next selection criteria also. Let's see next selection criteria. Selection based on CAGR for 3 years. Friends, you have seen CAGR for 1 year. Now I am showing you CAGR for 3 years. The more the CAGR, the best the mutual fund company is. Here, rank 1 goes to Mirra Asset Hybrid Equity Fund with 15.33% and rank 2 goes to Canara Robeco Equity Hybrid Fund with 15.27% and rank 3 goes to Edelweiss Balanced Advantage Fund with 14.35%. Rank 4 goes to SBI Equity Hybrid Fund with 13.32% and rank 5 goes to HDFC Balanced Advantage Fund with 12.23%. Let's see next selection criteria. Selection based on CAGR 5 years. Friends, you have seen CAGR for 1 year and 3 years. Now you are seeing CAGR for 5 years. More the CAGR, the best the mutual fund companies. Here rank 1 goes to Mirra Asset Hybrid Equity Fund with 16.11%, which is very good number. And rank 2 goes to Canara Robeco Equity Hybrid Fund with 15.96%, this is also good. And rank 3 goes to HDFC Balanced Advantage Fund with 15.04% and rank 4 goes to SBI Equity Hybrid Fund with 14.18%. Rank 5 goes to Edelweiss Balanced Advantage Fund with 13.48%. Friends, let's see next selection. Selection based on NAV growth rate maps. NAV means net asset value. Net asset value is the unit price of a particular mutual fund company. Here I have considered the growth rate from 2013 to May 2021. The more the growth rate in the NAV, the best the mutual fund company is. Here you can see the rank 1 goes to SBI Equity Hybrid Fund with 237%, which is very excellent number. And rank 2 goes to Canara Robeco Equity Hybrid Fund with 232%, this is also excellent numbers. And rank 3 goes to Edelweiss Balanced Advantage Fund with 178%. And rank 4 goes to HDFC Balanced Advantage Fund with 176%. Rank 5 goes to Mirra Asset Hybrid Equity Fund with 121.7%. Let's see next selection criteria. Selection based on expense ratio. Friends, mutual fund companies will charge all their expenses from your returns only. The expense ratio is the measure of the expenses occurred by the mutual fund company for their electricity bill, their employment charges, their building charges, etc. These expenses will be deducted from your returns only. So lesser the expense ratio, the more the best the mutual fund company is. Here you can see 0.38% is the least among all the expense ratio. So I have given rank 1 to Mirra Asset Hybrid Equity Fund with 0.38%, and rank 2 I have given to Edelweiss Balanced Advantage Fund with 0.51%. Rank 3 goes to Canara Robeco Equity Hybrid Fund with 0.77%. Rank 4 goes to SBI Equity Hybrid Fund with 0.96%. And rank 5 goes to HDFC Balanced Advantage Fund with 1.06%. Friends, let's see the next selection criteria. Selection based on exit load. Exit load means the amount charged by mutual fund company if you exit or close the mutual fund within the lock-in period. Here you can see all are having the same exit load of 1%, so I have given all of them rank 1. Let's see selection based on AUM. AUM means asset under management. Generally, the mutual fund companies with asset under management less than 10,000 crores is considered as best, because mutual fund managers has less AUM in their hands and they can easily and efficiently manage their portfolio and can give you good amount of returns. Whereas the mutual fund companies with AUM greater than 10,000 crores has a disadvantage. They can only retain 35% of AUM within them, and remaining 65% of the AUM value they have to keep in the market, even though market is at higher values. So they may not be able to produce good amount of returns. So guys, mutual fund companies with AUM less than 10,000 crore is considered as best. So I have given rank 1 to 3 mutual fund companies: Mirra Asset Hybrid Equity Fund with 4,800 crores, Canara Robeco Equity Hybrid Fund with 5,046 crores as rank 1, Edelweiss Balanced Advantage Fund with 3,564 crores as rank 1. Remaining 2 mutual funds, SBI Equity Hybrid Fund, HDFC Balanced Advantage Fund with 39,000 and 38,000 has given rank 2. Now friends, I have calculated all the points from all the selection criteria and I have given overall ranking. Here you can see rank 1 goes to Mirra Asset Hybrid Equity Fund with 65 points, rank 2 goes to Canara Robeco Equity Hybrid Fund with 62 points, and rank 3 goes to SBI Equity Hybrid Fund with 58 points, and rank 4 goes to Edelweiss Balanced Advantage Fund with 57 points, and rank 5 goes to HDFC Balanced Advantage Fund with 56 points. Here you can see Mirra Asset is leading with 65 points and it has got rank 1, and Canara Robeco is the second best. So guys, you can invest in Mirra Asset Hybrid Equity Fund or Canara Robeco Equity Fund, and third best is SBI Equity Hybrid Fund. You can choose any one of them. Before investing, please also do some research on the fund manager and the fund house, his experience and his expertise and etc. And also read the policy terms and conditions, and then only take investment decision. A small disclaimer friends, read all the documents carefully, do proper research and consult your financial advisor before taking any investment decision. Friends, I have made several videos on mutual funds, both top 5, large cap, small cap, debt mutual funds, ELSS mutual funds. I have given the playlist in the video description box. If you haven't watched them, please go and watch them. Friends, if you like my explanation, please like, share, comment and also subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for important notifications. Thank you friends.